Good morning guys! So today's baon ay ginataan sigarilyas with shrimp. So ito palang ginataan. So this is like the version of ginataang laing. But since wala kaming laing dito, then sigarilyas naman. Anyway, masarap naman. Kasi lalo-lalo na pagka maraming sili, so habang kinakain mo. And ayoko pala guys na masyadong tuyo. Gusto ko yung may konting sabaw para at least habang inuulam mo siya, then yung sabaw sumusot dun sa kanin. And masarap yun, lalo-lalo na kapag super hanghang. So, as I have said from the earlier video, kailangan namin magbaon every other Monday for our meeting para meron kaming energy the whole day.